Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my Poshmark sales and I'm going to show you everything that I sold this last weekend. I had a bunch of sales and so I'm going to show you what it was. Alright, so I had 21 separate sales. Some of them were bundles, so I did actually sell more than 21 items. But I'm going to go through, show you everything that I sold on Saturday and Sunday at the end of the month of February. You're going to see Paul walking around in the background. Hopefully he doesn't do some random dancing jig, because evidently he did that the last time I did my weekend sales, but we'll see. You might get a treat. All right, so the first thing that we sold this weekend was a Leo Rossi Buffalo plaid vest, black, new without tags. It sold for $12. After fees, we ended up with $6.93. Then next, we sold these really cute pink rabbit ear women's winter indoor slippers. They sold for $8 and we ended up with $2.93 after all my fees. Then this JM collection petite extra large printed shirt tail hem top, really cute. So as you notice, I added a stock photo and then I also have some other photos that show measurements as well. So that's always a good idea. Always including measurements in your listings helps them to sell quicker because there's less questions a person has to ask when they want to buy the item right now. And so that one ended up selling for $8 for another $2.93 after fees. Then I sold this patch color block tunic sweater, hammock style, and look, the colors are heather. Anyway, it sold for $9. I ended up with $3.93 after fees. Then this was an awesome sale. So I ended up selling the Steve Madden women's mid-length chevron coat. I was worried that I wasn't going to sell it while we were still we're going towards summer months, but it still did sell for $20. And so I ended up with $16 of profit after fees. Then the new without tags Jam Collection L Scoop Neck Deep Black Top sold for $13 for a total of $7.93 after fees. Then this was an awesome bundle. This kind of actually shows you the fee setup so that you can see where I'm getting that second number I'm giving you. This is my earnings. So every time I say this amount after fees, this is the number I'm talking about here. And so this one was originally listed at 16. This sweater was originally listed at 18. And this sweater was originally listed at 10. But I offered them a deal of $32. The Poshmark fee was $6.40. I offered also a shipping discount of $2.12. So my earnings on this bundle was $23.48. Let's go ahead and just have a quick look at what we sold. This was a reindeer tunic top, which is really cute. Then we also sold a size 2X women's plus ruffled bell sleeve pullover sweater. And then last but not least was this really cute, beautiful purple Style & Company women's marl braid pullover sweater. So we sold all three of those items, again, for the $23.48. Then next we sold a pair of women's Lavina thong sandals, Massimo tan brown. I've had a bunch of these, very few left, so if you want them at this cool $5 price, go ahead and purchase them. And so those I ended up earning $2.05 on after fees. Then these I've had for a while, and so I've just been gradually discounting them to make sure that I'm getting them right in the ballpark that people want to pay. Now this one sold for quite a bit less than I would have liked, but it was a size 2, and the smaller sizes don't generally sell for as high dollar items. Sorry about the noise in the background. Paul is actually packaging right now some of these items. 93 cents is what we made on this after fees because it sold for such a low dollar amount. Then I sold a new with tags Galaxy 3 pocket drawstring fleece set of joggers. They sold for $8, and so I ended up with $2.93 after fees. Then I sold a men's soft fleece active sweatpants navy blue. Those sold for $10, so I made $7.05. Then this really cute new without tags CJ Banks 1X slimming v-neck jean vest sold for $5 for a total profit. Now I didn't add a shipping discount or anything. Usually $5 is my bottom amount that I ever list anything at. And the reason for that is my earnings aren't very high if I go any lower. So I ended up making $2.95 because they bought this direct. I didn't send an offer or a shipping discount at all. So $5 you're going to make roughly around $2.95. Then I sold this. $2.95 or $2.05? $2.95 is what I made on that one. All right, so here's a new without tags Galaxy M3 Pocket and Drawstring Fleece Joggers, sold for $8, and I ended up making $2.93 on those. Then here is my big bundle. I was so excited when I saw these things. As you can see, this Karen Scott turtleneck sweater green ended up selling for $21. And then this here, this Alfani women's turtleneck ruffled poncho, super cute, sold for $40. Then I sold this Karen Scott women's Luxe Soft sweater, pink ice is the color, for $12. Then I sold this new without tags JM collection envelope crossbody tunic for $29, and a pair of Good Threads men's comfort stretch straight fit jeans. These I would love to sell on Amazon, but I'm gated. They're a private label, and so I sell them on Poshmark really well. Sold for $22 for a total offer price that I sent for $18. Poshmark fee was $16. I actually made $64 on these 5 items, which was super awesome. I was glad about that. Then I sold a New Day cream colored sweater for $9, and after fees $3.93. Then next I sold a New Day long sleeve shirt, this cute striped one, for $5 for a total of $2.05. Then a men's soft fleece active sweatpants, black in color, sold for $12, and I ended up with $9.05 after fees. Then a new without tags Star Wars XXL I Love You shirt. Look at this one. It's really cute. I just love the vintage look of that one. Sold for $10. Oops, I missed that. Hold on one sec. I'll go back to that. Hold on one sec. I lost my spot there. All right, so here is my bundle here. And then I had a Show fleece lined pair of leggings that also sold for $10 for a total earnings of $9.88. And then I sold these pair of cute comfy black leather strap sandals for $14, which made my earnings $11.05. Then 2 more items to go. A Leo Rossi Buffalo Plaid Vest, red, new without tags, sold for $11. So my earnings were $5.93. And then a Galaxy by Harvick Drawstring Fleece pair of joggers. Yes, I am selling sweatpants for profit. $5.05 is what I earned on that. And so altogether, when you add everything up, I ended up earning $193.88 for 21 separate orders that Paul is packaging in the background. So it's been a really, really good weekend sale for us. We've had better weekends, but this one works for me. I'll take a couple $100 this weekend. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.